The Fake Paradise project is a multisensory installation. It's a research on the formalization of not tangible and inorganic. It's a way to subvert the conventional perfection of appearances, which always hide an offstage shadow. The wooden panels, which are suspended in a partial dark space, are upholstered with metallese fabric and present stick figures by childhood imaginary, common symbols of that fairy tale and faraway exotic, typical of the adventure toward the unknown. The big capsule structure is generated by parametric architecture and divides the inside from the outside, both in the physical space and in the spiritual dimension. It's a place of representation of illusions. The inside is a synesthetic space, in which the acoustic elements act like an echo from nowhere, and electronic rhythms contaminate sounds and calls over rainforest. The outside, like the back of panels, is intentionally left rough, showing its complex and imperfect complementary image. It's a portrayal of the double, which here is interpreted as the double nature of things,